guys, what's up? Lizzy Mathis here, and I am so excited to cook with you guys today. And I'm gonna show you my favorite, well, let me just say one of my favorites, because I have many favorite recipes. But this one is quick, it's easy, it's healthy, and you can use all the ingredients that you have left over for the week at the end of the week for a magnificent rice bowl. Check it out. If you are anything like me, quick has to be in the routine. I'm telling you, if it's not quick, if it's not easy, if it's not healthy, then it ain't a go-to. So I am creating today a rice bowl. And it's not just any rice bowl, right guys? It is a rice bowl that you can make in no time at all that's healthy for kids, which is awesome because I have 3 kids at home and they all are very picky. They all like their own little things. And so what we always create like a little bit of a bar, right? Like a rice bar. And so we have rice and then we have all of our toppings that can go on the rice and they can pick and choose which toppings they want to add to their bowl, which my kids love to do. Okay, so I'm gonna get started. It's very simple. I'm gonna name out our ingredients, and really the trick to any rice bowl is the sauce. I'll be honest with you. I mean, the ingredients are cool and it's yummy and it's delicious, but it's really the sauce that brings it all together. So I have a basmati rice that I've already cooked. When I cook batches of rice, I cook batches of rice. And it's because I can use them throughout the week in other dishes. So I can create rice bowls one day, I can do fried rice another day, I can do chicken and rice another day, I can do tofu and rice another day. So I usually make a really big batch of rice. This is some shredded cabbage. I did purple as well as a white cabbage. And once again, I like to cut the whole cabbage up, both heads of cabbage at the same time, store them for the week. It's really kind of a take on meal prep, guys. So if you're open to meal prepping and you like meal prepping, which I do, I think it makes my week so much easier, then this is really a great dish where you can kind of mix and match and add different things. I have some red onion, lemons and limes, snap peas. I have some chicken, which once again, for a protein, you can also add tofu. You can also add a bean, which I also have here, a black bean. And the chicken, all I did was pan sear the chicken, pop it in the oven for about 10 minutes, and chicken was done. I sauteed some mushrooms over here, sliced cherry tomatoes, some sesame seeds, which will go on at the end. I also roasted some sweet potatoes, which is also a really simple dish. I'll share that recipe soon too. And then I also have green onion, sliced green onion. I have an avocado here that we're gonna slice up and add to the very top, and then we're gonna make our sauce. You ready? Let's get started, yay, rice bowls, yay! So I'm gonna get my big bowl and I am going to just add my rice first. Add a pretty heaping amount of rice because one, I'm always hangry, which means I'm hungry and angry all the time. And now I'm just gonna top it. So I'm going to top it with some cabbage. I like to make pretty plates. So I'm gonna add a little bit in each corner. I'm gonna do some snap peas over to this corner, a little bit of red onion. Red onion is not as pungent as one may think, even when it's raw. I'm gonna add a little bit of my chicken. And once again, this can be substituted for shrimp, tofu, beans, anything. I'm gonna add a little bit of my black beans, some of my tomatoes. So if you look at my plate right now, look at it. Beans and onions and purple and green cabbage and green snap peas and chicken and red tomatoes. I mean, it's so colorful. It really is. I'm an artist, guys. I'm an artiste with food. I'm just a mom trying to cook some food for my kids, y'all. All right, so I'm gonna sprinkle this over the top, which is just the green onions. I'm gonna add a little bit of my sweet potatoes, that nice, sweet kind of creamy texture and flavor to a bowl, which is really nice. And I'm gonna add a little bit of mushrooms. So what I've done with these mushrooms is I've sauteed them in a little bit of like sesame oil, and I've added a little bit of sea salt to them. And we have a really full, hearty bowl. Look at this, look how beautiful this is. I mean, my God, anybody would get super full off this bowl, and it's gorgeous to look at. All right, so now I'm going to slice up my avocado. Look at that beautiful avocado. I'm only gonna use half of it on my bowl. I'm gonna do a nice deep scoop. I wish I had an avocado tree, I really do. I have friends who have avocado trees and I'm always so jealous. All right, so I've sliced the avocado while in the peel, and I'm gonna just lay it over the top. the more flavor, the more color, the better the bowl is, let me tell you. So now I'm gonna make the sauce, which is really the star of the dish, let me tell you. So I'm gonna add a few different things in this sauce. I am gonna add a little bit of soy sauce, maybe a half a cup. A little bit of fish sauce, about 1 teaspoon of fish sauce. Same with rice vinegar, about 1 teaspoon. You can tell a home chef, right? Because they eyeball everything. Sesame seed oil, I'm gonna add about, same, half teaspoon or a teaspoon of sesame oil. There is this garlic coconut amino sauce that I just die for, and it's a really great way to incorporate garlic without adding actual garlic. So I always cheat with this. I say a full tablespoon of that. And a little bit of soy ginger sauce. Why not? Now, I am going to add a little bit of lemon, just a squeeze. I'm gonna whip, baby, whip. Whip, baby, whip. Get all those flavors just mixed all in one. Oh my God, that's toasted sesame oil is everything. I swear I could put that on everything too. When you use a whole bunch of dishes, guess who has to clean it up? You do. All right, so this is my bowl, and now I'm just going to add the sauce. A little bit over that avocado. And guys, this is it. This is the bowl. I mean, it is one beautiful bowl. I don't know what person would not want this bowl. My husband eats 2 of these bowls. He's all, you know, this is what I look like when I'm my husband. Let me go ahead and taste my bowl. Oh my God. It's pops of flavors in my mouth. I just love it. It's one of my favorites. It's my go-to. All right, I'm gonna enjoy this bowl. There are so many different versions and takes that you can make on a rice bowl with any leftover ingredients that you have in the kitchen, or even other fresh ingredients you may wanna use. It's super easy, it's super quick, it's super healthy, it's great for you, and it's great for kids. Make sure to comment, like, subscribe, and let me know what you guys wanna see. Talk to you soon. Bye.